You might be wondering what on earth a drop D tuning is. Super straightforward, okay? So normally the guitar is in standard tuning, E, A, D, G, B, E. We have a low E, thickest string, and we have a high E, thinnest string. When we go into drop D, we take this low E, the thickest string, and we tune it downwards until we reach the note D. So we use our tuning peg. Hear that note getting lower? Now the easiest way to check whether it is actually a D is by using the already in tune D string. This D string here is 1 octave higher than the low D. Or you can just use a tuner. Why is drop D good? Why is it useful? Well, one really sort of cliche example is if you're playing a D chord, you can now play all of the strings and you get this nice deep sound. But there are quite a number of other things that you can do with this, and you can find them in this video here. So check that out if you want to know how to take this one shape and this tuning and do something like interesting with it. Otherwise, what's the point in knowing drop D if you don't know what to do with it?